HelpMeWithStats.com was used to create this tutorial that can help us understand the weakness of the median. Here, the median accurately describes the typical score of the distribution. In some cases, the median is not stable because the median is determined by a single score. The median can change dramatically with a single score change, even as the rest of the scores do not change. If this middle score drops to 2, then the median is now 2, even though the rest of the scores have not changed. This is a drawback of the median in situations like this, where there are not a lot of scores in the middle of the distribution. If this middle score increases to 8, then the median is now 8, even though the rest of the scores have not changed. In this display, all of the lower scores have increased dramatically, and yet the median has not changed at all. The median is still 8. For more help with statistics, HelpMeWithStats.com is a free website that has more than 70 tutorials, as videos, or as self-paced slideshows. You can also learn how to conduct more than 60 statistical analyses by watching videos that show complete solutions, or by working through an unlimited number of examples using the step-by-step problem solvers. Finally, you can access a comprehensive stats textbook with more than 685 review questions. Thanks for watching. If you find these resources valuable, please share with your friends, teachers, and professors.